Hello friends, in this video we will study problems based on Bezier curve. So here is the first problem. The coordinates of 4 control points relative to the curve. As all we know, the Bezier curve requires or needs 4 control points. Relative to the curve are given by P1 2 2 0, P2 2 3 0, P3 3 3 0, P4 3 2 0. Write the equations for Bezier curve. So here 4 control points coordinates has been given and we have to write equations of Bezier curve. So first thing which we have to write or we have to do is write the equations of Bezier curve. Second, we have to find coordinate pixels of the curve for u equal to 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 and 1. So here we have to find coordinates of pixels. And lastly, plot Bezier curve on a graph. So we have to plot the Bezier curve on a graph. So now let's start the problem. So the solution, as we know, for generating Bezier curve we will require control points, that is 4 control points. So value of control point is given, that is coordinates. So for P1 the coordinate is 2 2 0, for P2 the coordinate is 2 3 0, for P3 the coordinate is 3 3 0 and for P4 the coordinate is 3 2 0. So this is coordinates for control points. This will be x1, x2, this will be x1, y1 and z1. This will be x2, y2 and z2. This will be x3, y3 and z3. And last it will be x4, y4 and z4. So now we know that for solving this problem we will require the parametric equation, that is parametric equation for Bezier curve. So this is the parametric equations for Bezier curve. So this is the parametric equations. Now the value of x4 will replace the value of x4 as 3, the value of x3 as 3, the value of x2 as 2 and value of x1 as 2. And for y coordinate the value of y4 is 2, the value of y3 is 3, the value of y2 is 3 and value of y1 is 2. Similarly, the value of z4 is 0, the value of z3 is also 0, the value of z2 is also 0 and value of z1 is also 0. So now after replacing the value of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 and z1, z2, z3 and z4, the equation will become x which is equal to 3u3 plus 9u square comma 1 minus u plus 6u 1 minus u square plus 2 1 minus u cube. So this is the equation for x. Now we will see the equation for y, which will be 2u cube plus 9u square 1 minus u plus 9u 1 minus u square plus 2 1 minus u cube. Since the value for z1, z2, z3 and z4 is 0, the whole term will become 0. The whole equations I will name it as, or I will write it as equation 1. Now the value of, first of all we will put the value of u in equations 1. So for u which is equal to 0, x will become, we are just replacing the value of u in this equations. First equation for x, I will replace this u by 0, this u by 0, this u by 0, this u by 0, this u by 0. So I will get the value of x as 2. Similarly for y, if I will replace the value of u as 0, I will get as 2, and for z it is 0. Similarly for u is equal to 1 by 4, by replacing value of u as 1 by 4, I get the value of x as 2.156, and the value of y I get as 2.56, and the value of z is 0. So now I will replace the value of u as 1 by 2, because in this problem the range is from 0 to 1, that is 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 1. If I will replace u as 1 by 2, I will get the value of x as 2.5, the value of y as 2.75, and value of z is 0. Similarly for u is equal to 3 by 4, if I will replace the value of x as 3 by 4, I will replace the value of u as 3 by 4 in this first equation. Similarly in second equation, similarly for z, I will get the value of x as 2.84, 2.56, and the value of z is 0. And last fifth one is u equal to 1. By replacing the value of u in as 1 in equation 1, I get the value of x as 3, value of y as 2, and value of z as 0. So we have found out the pixel values. Now we will plot this on the graph. Lastly he said that we have to plot the Bezier curve on the graph. So this is x, y and z. This is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So here for first pixel, where value of x is 2 and value of y is 2. So it will come somewhere here. So P1 will be here. And for second pixel u2, that is 1 by 4, the value of x is 2.156 and value of. So now we will plot on a graph paper so this is x, y and z axis. So this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the value of P1 is 2, 2. So it will come here. The value of P2 is 2, 3. The value will come here. The value of P3 is, this is P1, this is P2. The value of P3 is 3, 3. So it will come here. I will name it as P3. And the value of P4 is 3, 2. So it will come here. So I will join all these 4 control points. So now the pixel values, that is x value for u, which was for u equal to 0, the value of x was 2 and value of y was 2. So it will come here, and for u is equal to 1 by 4, the value of x was 2.156. So 2.156 and 2.56. So 2.156 means somewhere here, and 2.5, so it will be here. So I will plot this point so that it will come here. So second point is here for pixel u is equal to 1 by 4, and for pixel u is equal to 1 by 2, the value of x was 2.5, so it will be here, and the value of y is 2.75, so it will come somewhere here. So I will plot, so the points it will meet somewhere here. So now the third pixel, that is fourth pixel, that is u equal to 3 by 4. The value of x for u equal to 3 by 4 was 2.84. So 2.84 is here, and the value of y is 2.56. So on the same line, so it will be, the point will meet here. And last, for the value of u equal to 1, the value of x is 3 and value of y is 2. So it is here. So now I will join all these points so that I will get Bezier curve. So this point or this curve is called as Bezier curve.